Alright, I'm gonna go over the trades that I saw today. Start out with 9:30 here. Alright, so going into 9:30, I wanted to see this 5-minute internal low get swept, and this would also become a 15-minute gap below, which we actually swept here, and we got this super clean displacement, and we get a 3-minute inversion right here, which was definitely, like, in my opinion, like really, really good setup. I just personally faded this because I don't have too much data with like CPI ranges, so that was like kind of throwing off my confidence a bit, so I just decided not to take it. But definitely, like, I journaled this down, and like this structurally had everything I wanted to see. We had this SMT here with ES not coming down and sweeping this, so I honestly think this was just such a good setup, and this shit literally played out. It's just unfortunate that I didn't have the data to back it, so I didn't have the confidence to take it. But after that, I was looking for a sweep of this 15-minute internal low, which we then got eventually after generating a lot of structure, and we got this nice 1-minute inversion here, and we had a lot of LR above. Good sweep of this, good displacement here. So I took this, and I got stopped here, unfortunately. So the issue here, which I actually just didn't realize in the moment, was that because I thought that once we swept this 4-hour internal low here on ES and this sweep of this 15-minute internal low, I thought that we were in a good place to distribute upwards, and this looked like a pretty nice like PDI setting up here. But the issue was with this was that ES was trading super close to this 4-hour, which I didn't see. So ES actually ends up going down and hitting that 4-hour. So yeah, ended up getting stopped there. Really unfortunate. And I ended up getting off the charts, but there was this super clean setup that played out later, which we had this 4-hour intermediate low sweep. And then we went lower, created this low right here, traded up a little bit. And then we created a 5-minute gap here, discounted our 5-minute gap. And we also had this 5-minute internal high right here that we could have taken. And so once we got this resweep, we got a super clean displacement candle right here. And honestly, this was just super clean, super free, little mech model. Break even at this high, targeting this 5-minute up here. And this played out. It's just unfortunate I wasn't on the charts for this. But yeah, finally took an L after like 5 or 6, like maybe 7 like winning days in a row. First L in the new year, but it's okay. I mean, I was happy with this trade. Just gotta take note of like watching for those 4-hour gaps on ES that I didn't take note of. And also just gotta remember to take these setups that are just like have everything I want structurally. But yeah, that's the recap for the day.